Welcome back to the shop, guys. This week on the channel, we're going to be finishing up the CNC installation. Now, I want to add a dedicated outlet ran from the panel for the CNC station. That station's going to run the dust collection, the CNC machine, my laptop, and I don't want to have any power loss. So stick around. I'm Stoner Erickson from Erickson Design Company. Let's build something. Ta-da! Here are all the supplies I'll be using. There'll be a link in the description below, so check that out. Even though I've already done this many times, I'm always going to start by reading the instructions. Then I'm going to wire it up. Now always remember black to brass, which means the hot wire to the brass screw, and neutral to silver, which is the white wire to the silver screw, and then the green is the ground. Another thing you should always do is run electrical tape around the screws. That way there will be no arcing from the neutral to the hot. Next, I've got to move this drum set out of the way so I have a working area in front of the panel box. I'll pop the panel cover off here, and at this point it's live, so the first thing you want to do is shut off the power. Next, I'm going to notch out a little square of the sheetrock next to the panel so I can use one of the chases to get into the panel so it's super safe. I'm going to save this piece of sheetrock because I'm going to reuse it at the end. I'll take a 1-inch paddle bit here and I'll line up where the knockout is in the box. Then I'll drill it out and chisel it out. I used a screwdriver and a hammer to knock out this chase. Next, I'm going to snake my wires. Now, this is sheeted wire so that if nails were to hit it, it would deflect off. There's a little clips on the end and it actually will clip over that circle in the panel and be really tight. I'll go ahead and run my neutral line to that bus bar and my ground line to the other bus bar. I'll attach the hot wire, which is the black wire, to the breaker, and then I'll clip it in. I'll reattach the main panel cover, I'll knock out where the new breaker is, and then I'll turn the power back on. Here I'm going to add a block to the inside of the sheetrock, straddling both sides, the old sheetrock and the piece I've got to split in. This is a little trick I use to if I don't have a stud so I can daisy chain it back in. Actually, we're building a ranch house, and when we move, I'm going to pull this back out of the panel and use it at that house. If you like fun and creative videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Do it, and do it now. Plus, if you want to support the channel, I have a store, Erickson Design Company /merch on Streamlabs. You get hats, stickers, t-shirts. Also, check me out on Instagram. I'm doing previews to all these projects, and it's a great way to stay involved. I know this isn't the prettiest project, but it sure is going to help out in the shop. That was easy enough, right? I'm not a licensed electrician, so do this at your own risk. It's going to be so nice to have a dedicated breaker for the CNC machine. If I'm running the CNC machine and I hop on the table saw or a bandsaw or a drill press, I don't want any interference electrically with the CNC machine, so that's pretty awesome. The CNC has been shipped. We haven't got it yet, but we've done the table, the cover, the laptop stand, dust collection, dedicated outlet. So all we need is the CNC. I hope you like videos like this. Like, subscribe, share. Check out my other videos right here. And I'm Stoner Erickson from Erickson Design Company. And we built something. Ta-da!